This girl wey you dey see on my screen here, na the man wey she love well well. Na the man use his hand na him kpai this girl. Wetin the girl do wey the man kpai, e go even shock you. Shey you no understand? This girl, she and this man, they were dating. So as they come dey date, they come dey do enjoy. They come dey do enjoy. Shey you understand? Belle now come enter. As the belle come enter, the boy and the girl agree that dem go born the pikin. As they come born the pikin, the boy now start immediately when the girl born the pikin, the girl now start to dey treat this girl anyhow. Shey you no understand? Like play. It can't happen for this girl to be a single mother. Shey you no understand? As the girl can't be a single mother, e get one guy now wey come see am. The guy now like this girl. Shey you no understand? The girl now, as they come dey together, then too they do. One day now, this girl now come carry all the story now tell this guy, the new guy wey he go meet. Shey you no understand? So as the guy come hear all the story, he come pity the girl. He come ask the girl say, now what do you want to do in your life? Shey you no understand? The girl now say she want to go nursing school. She want nurse. She want to go and she want to be a nurse. Shey you no understand? Now so this guy now just dey hustle, dey pay this girl school. They pay school fees for this girl for nurse. Shey you no understand? As this girl come suffer, this guy suffer train this girl for school. As the girl come finish now, the girl now start to dey misbehave. If the boy go call her, he no go pick call. All those one, the guy beg this girl, beg am till the guy no know wetin he go do. The guy think say if he leave this girl for a while, like if he give this girl a small time, the girl go come give am chance again. Shey you no understand? The girl no gree give this guy chance again. Shey you no understand? One day, this guy come know say this girl and her ex wey dey treat her anyhow, wey he come pick am, he come pick am, brush am well. The girl go reconcile with the ex. Oh God. That is why if you see a single mother, they run. Oh, no be every single mother. If you see her, you go full. No be all of them. Nine be the man. Nine bad. Oh, if you see a single mother, think of what happened with that man where he deal with am before. What happened with that man leave am? Shey you no understand? Now so those people they can't reconcile. Oh, he and the ex, the girl and the ex, they do something woto. Now so this thing can't pain this guy. The guy won't commit suicide, but the guy say no, I'm not a fool to commit a suicide. So you don't understand? So I must choose a right decision. Now so the guy think say can't sleep. As he sleep wake up, a man can't tell and say the best option to take about this thing now to buy this girl. Now so this guy take buy this girl. She don't understand? So if you see a single mother, I beg, they run. Oh, you don't know what to pursue them for that man house.